Now I'm going to demonstrate how to make a cup out of a slab. Here I have cut out a rectangle out of clay. I'm going to carefully pick it up. And this is small enough I can shape it around my finger. But if you have a bigger piece, you can wrap it around a toilet paper tube or something small like that. Whatever fits inside that is a cylinder, you can use to match the shape of your cup. Okay, pinching those seams together. If you're having a hard time getting these to connect and stay connected, go ahead and add some water to your seams. And that will help encourage the salt dough to stick together. All right, now I'm going to use my blending tool, the wide part. I'm going to kind of smear the clay across this way and then smear it very gently across this way. It's really easy to punch through the side of your cup when you're blending, so be really careful. You're just wanting to grab that top layer and just bring it right over. There we go. Now we can establish the base and the rim, what side we're going to drink out of. I tend to choose the prettiest side to be the top. And then I put the base on the other side. So this side is the most even. We do have a little bit of a seam showing here, but we can smooth that out. So I'm going to make this the base. How do we put a base? On our cylinder, I took the excess clay from when I cut out the rectangle. I'm going to roll it into a ball. Flatten it slightly. Take my rolling pin, flatten it out, turn it, flatten it out, turn it, flatten it out. Try to keep your rolling pin as level as possible while you're doing this. We want it to be about the same thickness as the cup. Oh, it looks right. Then we stick our cup on there. And we trace around the base. Then we cut it out. Pull off your extra clay. And now we're going to stick these two together. Carefully pull up your circle. This is the bottom of the cup, also known as the foot. You can add something to the bottom too. I'll demonstrate that in a minute, to be like the true foot of the cup. Okay, so pushing it on, re-wet both sides. Oh, it's now wanting to be part of the table. Stop it. Gotcha. All right, so I just use that as a spatula to pry it up like a stubborn cookie. Okay, and we're gonna go and pull this lip up all the way around. Oh, I'm using my cutting tool. I want to use my smoother tool. And then you would also do this around the inside as well. Sometimes I find it easier to pull the base up against the wall. So I'm actually pulling the cup base up against the wall to create a seam inside. Oh, I just punched through the bottom. Hey, it happens. Because this is Play-Doh, It's easy to correct if that happens. Just get a little more clay. Get your water. And you can just push on a little patch. If this was actually like a ceramic piece and I was planning on firing it, I'd probably cut off the base and start over. Because you want it done right the first time. Alrighty, so there is our cup made out of a slab.